In this video, I am going to show you how to manipulate the head of this 3D model using DISPLACE plugin. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to create a plane. Here. And then after I create the plane, I am going to move it a little high here. And then after that, go to modifier and then select DISPLACE. So here in the image box, you can see bitmap, and then you can click here, and then you can select a height map. So a height map is a map that typically just black and white, like this, so that when you select that and then you change the strength, it will change based on the picture that you uploaded, based on the pattern of the height map. So how to get that map is you can just go to Google, and then you can just type in height map, and then this is the kind of height map that you can use. You can select whichever you like, or you can make it yourself by making like a black and white pattern, and then you can upload it into your model. So with this height map is actually you can create this kind of pattern based on maybe like a sunlight or something that you want to add to your city model. So but in this case right now, I'm just going to use this height map. I'm going to like that, and then I'm just going to up the height so that you can see the difference. So I'm going to up like that. Like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use CONFORM from here. So CONFORM has two, from the component objects and from the geometric or deformable. To create like a really nice form of the height of the buildings, use the geometric and deformable one. So here first I'm going to select CONFORM, and then I'm going to make here like that, and then I'm going to click pick object, and then I'm going to pick the plane because I'm going to wrap the head of the city into the plane. So now after I do that, I can select this, and then I can go to modifier, and then I can click select tops. So it selects all the tops. And then after that, I can go here and the main toolbar, you can select this, and then you can go here to the CONFORM symbol that you have made, and then you can click, and then you can drag it to your building. So now your building is following the form of the height map, like that. So now if I just hide this, now you can see the height of the buildings based on the height map that you uploaded. So with this height map, is actually you can like I have said before, you can actually create your own height map. You can create your own graphic, and then base your design of the city based on your own graphic, and then you can also maybe modify the height and you can also try to look at the human scale here, because this is maybe too high. So maybe I'm just going to try. I'm just going to try to bring this down because the height of the building is maybe too tall. So when you bring it down like that, the height of the building will follow your plane. So if you can also change the strength, and the height will also follow your height map. That maybe I can try to like that. So maybe, yeah, this is, so that's how you can play with the height of the buildings of your city, how you can manipulate it. The other thing that I want to show you, because this is confirmed using the one that is here, the geometric and deformable one, and it shows like a really nice form of the height. So now I'm going to show you what happens if you use the confirm from compound objects. So I'm just going to open a new file. Here I have my original model, and then I'm going to just quickly make the plane and the height map. So now here, as you can see, I have recreated the height map, and then now I'm going to just change the height of my city like that. Now I'm going to show you if I use confirm from here, from the compound object. So I use, and then I can pick wrap to object. Now I can pick the plane, and then I forgot to select the top. So I can just go to modifier, and then I can just select the top. So if you every time you want to use confirm, either it's from the compound objects or maybe it's from the geometric deformable, you need to select the top of each buildings or the top of an object that you want to wrap into another object. So in this case, I have already select my buildings, the top of the buildings, and now I'm going to use confirm and pick the object. So as you can see here, after I wrap my object, it's actually really wrap my object to this plane, and even if I try to hide the plane, so it's like, so this object is so you can see here, this is the height map, and then this is my city that I was trying to manipulate the height using this height map, and it's just like this. So yeah, it's not as pronounced as if you use the one here, geometric and deformable. So that's it. If you want to manipulate the head of your city, maybe you want to try and model like a futuristic city, you can use the confirm from geometric and deformable. Thanks for watching.